a video for Chris Fogg or anyone else on how to make a photo, picture. If it was a document, you want to make sure that okay, so this now that you be able to read the print on the screen. I'm going to go to click on this button to get into my files. So this is how to transmit a photograph. Okay, videos. It's not what I want. I want images. Camera, okay. So I take, and this is the picture I just took, the video. I click on that. Then I'm going to click on here. This is going to come down to all the different types of opportunities to send it. I'm going to send it via Gmail. It's a picture, so it's small enough. Again, if you had some document with writing on it that you want to be able to read, you got to make sure that. So I'm going to hit to Anselm and to Chris Fogarty here, Fogarty, and then then I'm just going to hit click. I'm going to type in the subject, which is test photo, and then I'm going to just click that, and then that person is going to get the picture, okay, and it's also going to be loaded up then to YouTube. I'm posting this on YouTube right now. That's how you doing. You take a picture of whatever. You say if it's a document, make sure that the print is observable, readable, large enough and not too large, not blurred, and then just you can upload this to. You then send it to the person, and you can upload this video to YouTube as for the formula.